Hey, welcome back to Cooking Around channel. Welcome. Today, another recipe, a pasta recipe. What is it? Italian broccoli and salmon bake. Absolutely awesome, easy to make. Your family and friends will love you for it. So, let's get going. Just look at all these goodies. Broccoli, of course, and salmon, cheddar white cheese, fresh butter, and to give it that pizzazz, anchovies. Yes, anchovies. Now you don't have to use it, but this is going to put the pizzazz in this pasta dish. Trust me, trust me. So here we go. Grab a broccoli head and I want you to cut the stem off. Now, the stem can be chopped up and be used to make some stock. Now, I want you to remove the florets and I want you to cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can make them bigger if you want, but you know something? This is the size that I like. Now, for this recipe, I'm using 50 grams of white cheddar, and this is mature cheddar. Also, I'm using about 250 grams of penne pasta. Get a large pot of boiling water with some salt and let's add the penne and don't forget to stir so it doesn't stick. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and let's wait for it to melt. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and let's start to stir. And we keep on stirring, make sure the temperature is not too high. And now we're going to add anywhere between 300 to 600 milligrams of milk, and that will make the sauce more thick or more thin depending on what you want. Now, after a few minutes, your sauce should be thick. And now I want you to add about 100 grams of sour cream. And this is going to give that real rich, thick taste. And here comes the goodies. About six sun-dried tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of capers, 4 to 6 anchovies or more if you are brave. Now to get the exact measurements, please go to CookingaRound's blog. Just check the link below in the description area. Add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of basil. Turn the heat down to low now. Let it go for about 3 to 5 minutes and it is done. Now, in the meantime, with your penne, halfway through the cooking process, I want you to add directly to the water 300 grams of broccoli and now finish cooking off your pasta. So now, according to the instructions, it's been about 10 minutes, but I need to check it with a fork. I like to take precautions, and let's just check the broccoli. Poke it right there, and it is perfect. Now drain your pasta and your broccoli, and please do not strain it under cold water. Pour it into your saucepan, and let's just keep on stirring it for a while and blend it in perfectly. Take your pre-cooked salmon, and it's basically shredded, and what I do here, I put it to the bottom of a decorative dish. Now here I'm using about 200 grams, but you can use more if you'd like. Now drop your pasta mixture just like this. Take your spatula and just spread it all around. Does this not look absolutely delicious? Now I shredded the cheese and I'm going to put that on the top, and now I want it to go into the oven for about 30 minutes at 190 degrees or about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, here we go. It's coming out of the oven. Take a look at that. That is absolutely awesome. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And here you have about 4 servings. So all I can say now is thank you very much for allowing me to present this video. Thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around, and I hope to see you guys again, once again, on my other cooking videos. So it's goodbye for now.